This is the keystone of your network, the big kahuna, the mothership. Oh, thought I got rid of that. This is the keystone of your network, the big kahuna, the mothership, and yeah, it's massive. This is the Moxa MRX-Q4064 managed Ethernet switch, and it's here to run your entire network. If it's important to your network, it connects here. This thing's got more ports than an international cruise ship. We're talking 16 10 gig ports. That's the most Moxa have ever put in one device. This thing has 280 gig of bidirectional switching capacity. That's... This thing is redundant on all fronts. Connections, power, and cooling. Layer 3 redundancy? This thing's the MotoGP special. Don't wait for a tire change, just jump on a new bike and keep racing. VRRP is perfect for mission-critical, always-on scenarios where downtime costs can quickly run into the millions. Layer 2 redundancy? It's got all of your favorites. Rapid spanning tree, turbo ring, turbo chain, and ERPS. Now here's the thing. Just because you plug a couple of cables between two network switches doesn't mean you get twice the speed. Without the right protocols, sometimes you get nothing, except pure chaos. And that's called a broadcast storm. A broadcast storm is the network equivalent of everyone in the office yelling over each other at the same time. Nobody hears a thing, nothing gets done, and the whole place grinds to a halt. Layer 2 redundancy protocols solve this problem. These protocols keep your network quiet, calm, and moving. And for port-based redundancy, we've got a big ol' half-pipe. Many ports acting like one massive data hose. And if the hardware fails, this thing has hot-swappable network modules, power supplies, and active cooling ready to go. This thing can fail more times than I've tried to finish GTA 5. And here's where the device gets fun. The MRX-Q4064 is fully modular. That means you can install the exact network module you need without the requirement of replacing the switch. Different project, different modules. If you've got short runs in the same room, go copper. If you've got longer runs to field devices, slide in fiber. It's like Lego for network engineers.
It's a gray spaceship.
Build it to match your site, not the other way around. So if you need speed, capacity, and redundancy that laughs in the face of downtime, this is it. The Moxa MRX-Q4064, your new network centerpiece. Perfect for greenfield projects, SCADA networks, CCTV, and more. Click the link for specs and pricing.